Hey guys, how's it going? Ghostly Rich here today, and if you take a look, we turn our faucet on, and look, the water pressure sucks no matter what, but if you go to every other faucet in the house, it's great. So, what we're going to have to do is clean this one out. Let's show you, if you didn't know, how to clean out one of these faucets. Now, there's two things you want to check. First thing, we're going to get my camera guy right here to take off this part right here. There's an aerator in here. This can get clogged, very rare, but it does get clogged, and if that one does, you'll notice if you look and try to see light through it, there's just a little bit of dirt in there. That one's not that bad. So next thing we're going to do is take off this part. You can see, I'll take that off, unplug it from here. Look at that. That filter is completely clogged. We're going to have to take that out. So since we've already taken our aerator out, this has to come out before you do this process. You'll see at the very bottom, there's a pinpoint thing right here. You just need something like a turkey thermometer or whatever the heck you want to use. Screwdriver, squeeze it in, and pull this out. Ah, you do it. Oh, it's still stuck in there a bit. It does come out, we swear. It's just nice, and it gets to right about there. A little bit of wiggling. Ah! That was great. So for this piece right here, if you take this, your toothpick, and you work this into here, like so, you'll get this O-ring out, this little black one. Be careful, you don't want to chip it. That's why I use wood, not metal. Usually it does better at not chipping the O-ring. Once you do, there's this little filter that's in here. If it's stuck, basically just bang it against here and it should come out, or bang it against your hand. It should fall into your hand. If not, you could just use a magnet to pull the screen out. After that, this is what you need to clean. Clean the entire filter end. If you go to blow through this and you're like, oh man, it's still clogged. No, if you push in the center there, there's a pressure spring and then it'll go through. Just so you know, so you're not going blue face. Another thing to do is to put your water on and let this shoot out for a minute before putting that tip on. The reason why is if there's a buildup in your line, it's just going to reclog your faucet. Once you put your faucet back together, if you take a look, you notice that it's a heck of a lot stronger than before. And if I hook right here, the flow is way better. We have consistent flow, and everything's good. Anyways, I hope that helped you out fix your faucet, clean it up. Press like if it did, and subscribe for more.